morning.
I will tell you about the origin of Sultanian or Kota Maruni. Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. Just for information, my name is Fatihah. I come from a business from Bandung. Please listen my story and stay tuned. One day, there was a prince named Prince Adipati. He was a prince who conquered in his father's kingdom because he was the second prince. He met several of his father's governors.
Who won't be able for me to become king? I am only the second prince.
You must reach king and look for new territory, said the governor.
That's the only option.
Said Prince Adipati Antakusuma.
Okay, prepare everything.
The prince and the governor left his father's kingdom. The prince capitol silently and decided to go down the river by boat to furnish territory. So he called without the king. They covered flags until finally, when the river they started their journey temporarily. They decided to stay overnight in a place called village. The village was led by ethnic whose the leader was named Patipati. Prince Antakusuma met to ask for permission to stay and work there in that place.
We have to sacrifice each of us.
Said Pati. Prince Adipati asked and said heartily. Okay, it was just the condition. Pati put the video found over the prince to live there. There was a stone on the top of where of two sacrifices called Batu Pertahan as memorial stone. Prince made the relation with Pati. He was brought by Pati to lie down at the bank of Arab River. He was surprised with the barren trees in the two and the beautiful light again.
So beautiful.
I fall in love with this place. What is the name of this place? Said Prince. I don't know. Said Pati. The prince wanted to live in that place.
I will name this place with Sutari.
The party's children. Kupa is Jaguar and Ringin is Pohon Beringin. The prince and his group met the people in that place. Prince met the Portuguese descendant who had a beautiful daughter. He fell in love with the princess. He married the princess and left the laughing house in the bank of Harvard River. The prince has known a clever and rare linen by the local people's research. They wanted the prince because they were leaders. Thank God, the chance was come. Say the prince in his heart. The prince built the place no leader. The prince also worked together, built a small mosque with the Kiai named Kiai Gede. Until the small mosque large, it was named Kiai Gede Mosque. Finally, the prince integrated that had been completed under the name with Sultanin Palace. However, the people are comfortable calling it calling with Putalingin with Kota Waringin. I think that's all my story. I hope all of you are happy. Thank you very much for watching to me. I hope you beg and forgive me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.